Okay guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn about headings. So we have in HTML 6 levels of them, but if for some reason you don't like that, you can always set appropriate sizes in CSS when you learn it. But first, let's roll with basic heading, the biggest one. How to create it? Well, we're gonna use H, and after that 1 to represent first level, the biggest one. Okay, so also we must close it, slash and h1, and in here let's use something generic like heading level 1, let's say, and let's check results, and there you go. So as I said, if you don't like it, don't worry, you're gonna change it in CSS to size you like, okay? But this is just pure hard-coded HTML, and for beginners that will get the job done. Now let's go to heading number 2, H2, and we need to close it. And let's just copy paste stuff from above to save time. Down there. 2, and now the difference will be obvious. Okay? And yep, so we're gonna do that for all other levels, like very briefly. I'm gonna just have like a stupid template here with H and heading level. So these are just templates, okay? And yeah, I'm gonna copy paste it a couple of times. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now let's change those things. Sorry, 3 and 3 and 4. And you get the point. This is very simple stuff. It's so simple that it's almost stupid. But the moral of the story is whatever number you have on the left side, do have it on the right side. And yeah, I forget that thing. So 4 and 5 and 6. And don't worry, you can have spaces here, but it's very nice to have everything aligned. Right, so let's refresh our page, and there you go. So the 6th one is the smallest one, and that's it guys. We have only 6 of them. If you go to 7, what's gonna happen? Well, let's see. 7. Pretty much nothing, because you see all these things are blue, and when we reach 7, well, our editor will say like, it will scream internally like, dude, what are you trying to do? We don't have H7 in a standard, okay? Well, at least not for last 27 years. So yep, result will be totally stupid. It will basically go to normal paragraph size that you have here. So no 7 size. Okay, that's it guys, very short tutorial, nothing special and nothing scary here. In the next tutorial, let me see what we're going to do. Right, so in next one we're gonna talk about these paragraphs more. So thank you for watching as always, and see you next one.